Hello, this is Raymond Lee 3327, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Midland HH54 VP2 portable weather radio. I just got this today to supplement my other radios, which you see behind me, and there's also one in my room where I sleep. We're going to be cutting this open shortly. We're going to be cutting this open now. And I'll show you the radio. Just let me put this camera down first. Oh, I'm using my tablet to videotape this, so it's going to be in high definition. There you go. I wish it won't stand on its own. Alright, I'll be right back. Let's prop it against something. That doesn't look like it's gonna work. Yep. Here we go, cutting open the box. So this is why you're seeing a black screen right now. Charging base, the radio itself, the portable battery pack, and of course the AC wall charger. And last but not least, the instructions. Well, let's go through the setup procedures together, and then I'll review it. This tablet won't stay up like this. Here we go. We got the radio itself, the charging cradle, the battery, and the AC adapter. I know of several YouTube users that have this radio. I think it's SPC Cranford 1056. And I know of several others, but I can't remember the YouTube usernames. Oh, I'll post that information up on YouTube later. But right now I'm gonna set this up for you and review it. It's kind of difficult to hold the tablet computer, hold the BlackBerry Playbook tablet computer up and set it up at this, and set up the radio at the same time. So please bear with me. Okay. Battery goes in the back. Let's see if this has a partial charge. Oh, there we go. There's the battery cover, and I think this goes somewhere. Oh yeah. Battery goes like this. See if we can power it up too. And I hope there is a charge. Almost done. Okay, it's in. I think it's in. Oh, the battery's dead, or maybe it's not installed properly. Trying to. Oh yeah. I'm gonna have to take the battery out and try it again. Well, the battery is in, but the radio does not appear to be charged. So I have to charge it. Well, here's the radio, but the batteries are not yet charged. So I'm gonna plug in the AC adapter now. Let's see if it fires up. Well, I hope it works. I'll just take this off. Oh, here we go. Oh. Forgive me for... Okay, the radio is powered up now. Let's turn it on. Oh yeah. Find the channel first. Let's see if the alert type works. Oh yeah, the batteries are not fully charged in this thing, so it's got to stay in the charger for at least overnight. Let's select channel. We are in Canada, so we have a Canadian broadcast provided by Environment Canada using their service called Weather Radio Canada.
Marine forecast issued at 5 p.m. Friday, June 1st for tonight.
Volume can be turned up.
Strong wind warning in effect. Wind east 25 knots, veering to south
it's on the side.
Near midnight, then diminishing to southwest 15 early Saturday morning. Wind diminishing to south 10 Saturday evening. Rain changing to chance of showers overnight and Saturday. Current marine report.
Well, at least the radio works now. I'm gonna
Airport, temperature 14.
show you how to program in the times and the proper time and the same codes. It's 8:36 p.m. right now. Yeah, that's the correct time. There must be a date setting too. Oh no, there's not. Alert type. I set it to voice. Always, if you have the for most weather radios, including the Midland series weather radios like the WR300, WR100C, although this model is discontinued, the WR120, most of these radios have an alert type setting. I would recommend, for most weather radios, I would recommend leaving the alert type setting to voice. In this setting, the radio will sound an alarm for about 8 seconds, followed by a voice broadcast. When it's set to when it is set to display, it will only alert you visually. When it's set to tone, it's gonna keep constantly sounding the alarm tone. But for most users, leave it on the voice setting. That way, even if you can't get to the weather radio in time, you'll still hear the voice broadcast. Even if you're in another room. Some of these radios are so loud, some of these radios are even louder than a smoke detector when it's sounding its alert. So, well, let's test the alert now. Here you go. That should be loud. Okay, now we're gonna set this same code, which is the specific area message encoding codes. Right now the radio is set to any, but we're gonna program in one code just for demonstration purposes. Oh yeah, this radio can do single or multiple county codes. We're gonna do multiple. See? When it says same 01, hit select. Then using the arrow keys, dial in the code. For the city of Toronto, it's 043100. I think this is the correct code. Let me yeah. Hang on. Yeah. Here's the website for the weather radio service. Let me see if the same code is correct for the city of Toronto. City of Toronto. Yeah. Well, this completes the programming and setup of this radio. Sorry, this completes the review of the radio. Although it's a very nice radio, it has a more of a feel of a walkie-talkie. And it is a very nice radio and a very nice brand too. I would recommend this type of radio if you're gonna go camping or if you work outdoors a lot. Although leaving it inside will also work. This concludes this review and setup of this weather radio.